Do you have a minute or two? Do you like details of old homes, but you need a more modern day floor plan? Then this house is for you. I'm at 2033 South Ogden Street in Platt Park in Denver, Colorado. It's the meticulous details for me. Let's take a look inside. The wood countertops, the brick, the wood beam, the vintage lighting, rub-a-dub-dub, the clawfoot tub, the Viking refrigerator, the Thermador gas stove. You'll love to cook, entertain, and live with the flow of the house. There is a formal living and dining area. The floor plan was rearranged to provide convenient 21st century living, the bonus room, that opens up to the backyard private oasis. It's been referenced as a jewel box. It's definitely unique. It's sexy. It's prime for neighborhood chats. One of Denver's favorite restaurants is just a half a block away. So close to the restaurants all around DU. Only a couple of blocks from the shopping and restaurants on South Pearl. 15-minute drive to downtown, 11 minutes to the Denver Tech Center. I'm Amy Cesario, your realtor in Denver, Colorado, and this is my Denver View. If you'd like to see this home in person, message me so we can take a look.